What if I told you that this ice cream van-looking tiny vehicle is actually a super luxurious Class B camper van that has the most interior space in all of America and comes with exciting features such as an innovative sleeping setup and a very amazing bathroom? You heard it right. Let's take a detailed tour of this unique camper van and see if it's as awesome as it claims to be.
Motorhome luxury.
This is the Noovo Plus, a luxury camper van built in America that starts at a price of $187,000. Yes, the price does look quite expensive for all of us, but we'll try to see through this video if that's worth it. The Noovo Plus is around 21 feet long and above 8 feet wide, which makes it a really good-sized Class B camper van. However, its highlight remains the 7 feet interior height that has happened for the first time in the American camper van industry. How good is the 7 feet interior height? We'll try to understand that once we get inside. For now, let's take a look at the exterior design of the van, and this is not the craziest of designs you'd have seen, right? At first glance, this might look like a Baskin-Robbins van, ready to get you a delicious scoop of ice cream. On the front, you have a typical van design with an inclined windshield, a few cab overhead lights, 2 headlamps and fog lights on the front, the grille with the Noovo name pasted there, and the front bumper that'll protect you from minor accidents and collisions. Does that mean this camper van is strong? Well, yeah. Compared to other camper vans, the Noovo Plus is much stronger and more powerful. Unlike those flashy models that just sell on looks and have almost nothing to show, the Noovo Plus prioritizes functionality over looks. It is based on the Ram ProMaster 3500 super high roof chassis with an extended wheelbase of 159 inches, and people who've worked the Ram ProMaster would know how reliable it can be. With a 3.6-liter Pentastar engine that can generate up to 276 horsepower, the Noovo Plus offers an estimated mileage of 18-20 miles per gallon on highways, which is quite good for Class B campers. Heading to the passenger side, you get the passenger's door, windows, and the side mirror. In the standard package, the Noovo Plus comes with regular 16-inch wheels that can be upgraded to all-terrain tires, which would allow you to explore the wilderness and nature more freely and safely. Moving ahead lies the main entry door that can be slid open. There is also a long strap for an assistive step, which not only makes your entry to the interior more convenient, but it can also be used to scrub your dirty shoes in mud, ensuring a cleaner interior. There is also a flip-down table attached to the kitchen cabinet, which can be accessed from the outside as well. You can place food, induction, or even speakers on this and make your exterior chilling sessions even more fun. There are more features to the entry door, but I'll talk about them in detail as we are about to enter the Noovo Plus, as always. Continuing our walkthrough, you will find multiple windows on each side of the Noovo Plus, each window installed strategically to offer maximum comfort while causing minimum trouble. On the passenger side, the window is installed just a bit ahead of the stopper of the entry door slide, preventing it from colliding with the door. This side of this Class B luxury camper van also houses a self-supporting electrical awning with built-in LED stripes that come out, increasing the vibe and comfort of your outdoor living space. Isn't that fantastic? Speaking of fantastic, let's head to the back of the Noovo Plus, which is full of features and some amazing surprises. At first glance, this looks just like any other camper van on the market. For better on-road visibility, there are rear lights on the sides as well as on the top. There is also a rear-view camera that would help you in parking or just ensuring your safety. On the rear bumper, you'll find a rear hitch that allows you to tow smaller vehicles. But this is where it gets amazingly interesting. The Noovo Plus offers an exciting range of customization options for the customers that give a fresh new look to the rear. You can opt for a rear ladder, a rear box storage where you can put your tools in, a bike rack, a tire carrier, or a combo adventure pack that contains all of the previous options together, solving all the problems in one go. Without the optional package, the spare tire is installed underneath the belly of the van. The rear door opens up to reveal the narrow yet deep garage compartment, which lies just beneath the bed. It's quite a spacious compartment in which you can store anything from a chessboard to a foldable chair. LED lighting in the compartments ensures zero visibility issues as well. On the left side of this compartment lies the plugins for the exterior shower and hot water. You heard that right. The Noovo Plus comes with an exterior shower hookup that allows you to take a fresh bath around the cold mountains while appreciating nature. But don't think that this is the only shower option you're going to get in the Noovo Plus. It has a full bathroom setup, if you can believe that. But that is for later. For now, let's head to the driver's side that looks as minimal as possible, just like a normal van. No unnecessary cool stuff. Just what needs to be there. At the rearmost section of the driver's side lies a 30-amp Shore power cord along with the freshwater fill that can store up to 30 gallons of fresh water. At the same time, the Noovo Plus can store up to 40 gallons of gray water as well. Moving forward, you'll have the removable cassette toilet that makes dumping your waste much easier and convenient. Up next, the valve to the gray water tank lies beneath the underbelly of the van, along with the exhaust of the heating system. This valve can be easily attached to a hose, allowing you to dump your gray water whenever needed. Now, before we head to the main entry door to wrap up our exterior walkthrough, it's important to talk about the power capacity of this campervan. Because after all, it's called a self-sustainable off-grid campervan. Usually, the van comes with 660 ampere-hours of lithium battery power that can be further upgraded to 1320 ampere-hours. Charging these massive batteries are 400 watts of solar panels that have been installed on the roof, offering you up to 7 days of complete off-grid capacity, which is great for a family trip or a solo adventure on holidays. Coming back to the main entry door, it comes with a window and a bug door that'll protect you from the insects without ruining your outdoor view. But let's not wait now. Let's quickly climb the steps and head to the interior of the Noovo Plus that has so much in store for you. Stepping inside the Noovo Plus, the first thing you're going to appreciate is the huge interior height that allows you to stand tall and roam freely across the van, even if you're 6.5 feet tall. The Noovo Plus is the very first American Class B luxury campervan that comes with an interior height of 7 feet. But it's not just about space. Noovo has also done a great job in their floor planning and the quality of materials used throughout the van. Right in front of the main entry door lies the kitchen setup that looks so clean and strategically placed, offering you maximum worth in the minimum of space. The kitchen setup includes an oval countertop facing the driver's cabin and includes plenty of workspace for chopping up vegetables and slicing your meats. You have all the kitchen essentials, including a nice sink with a faucet and a UV filter water tap for drinking, an induction cooktop, a microwave oven, and plenty of storage space underneath the kitchen cabinet. Speaking of storage, Noovo has solved almost all storage-related issues that campervan owners complain of in such a compact piece. Instead of those bulky compartments on the sidewalls that kind of cramp down the interior space, the Noovo Plus has slide-out storage compartments which are sleeker, more elegant, and more efficient. There is also a special switch on the kitchen sidewall with a bed sign on it, along with a few power outlets that allow you to plug an espresso machine or a grinder to expand your cooking reach. But what does that special switch do? Well, that's a surprise I'll reveal once we head to the bedroom. For now, let's stay focused on the kitchen. There is a 12-volt refrigerator sitting right across the kitchen cabinet that comes with a separate freezer compartment and multiple fridge sections, enough to store all your food items fresh and cold. And yeah, you can put your ice creams in there too. The microwave oven sits right on top of the fridge. Right beside the fridge, the deep storage compartment opens with the push of a button, working as your go-to closet by offering so much space for your clothes. The control panel for this campervan is above the main entry door and is completely accessible, even to a mid-height person. The control panel setup includes a 3-type system that includes 2 touchscreen displays and a switch that allows you to control almost everything in the van. The electrical awning can be operated through the 2 switches next to the display. The smaller touchscreen display allows you to monitor and control things such as the water heater, air conditioner, and the van heating system. Remember how I told you that the Noovo Plus has a special bathroom setup? It's time to check that out. The Noovo Plus comes with a full wet bath setup that lies just a bit ahead of the kitchen and right beside the rear lounge. Although the bathroom has limited space, which makes sense looking at the size of the campervan, you get enough space to use the cassette toilet as well as the shower quite comfortably. A great addition is the on-demand hot water in the shower that enhances your experience manifold, especially if you're traveling in a cold place. The bathroom also has towel hangers and a ventilation point that makes it much more breathable and efficient. It's now time for the most talked about section of the Noovo Plus, the innovative rear lounge. As you take your first step inside the rear lounge, it feels super luxurious and bright, all thanks to the awning-style windows along with LED lights on all sides. These windows come with bug screens and privacy shades, enhancing their feel even further. The rear lounge consists of a U-shaped couch that can accommodate up to 5 people quite comfortably. In the center lies a sturdy electric table with foldable corners that allows you to have amazing dinner parties, group games, and even a very good workspace if you are a digital nomad. The table is controlled by a special button hidden inside the cabinet near the kitchen, and it can go all the way down or just a bit if you're looking to convert this place into a sleeping area. Yes, you can do that too. All you need to do is arrange the cushions on the table, and you can make a super comfy double bed in no time. On the sides of the electric bed, there are airplane-style storage cabinets that offer plenty of storage in the most seamless and elegant way possible. How does that sound? There is a smart TV, a sound system, and a few power outlets to ensure you get full entertainment and no issues while charging your phones. Noovo has really taken care of everything here, haven't they? But that is just the start. Here comes the best part. The Noovo Plus also has an electric drop-down bed that comes all the way down, offering plenty of sleeping space for 2 people. And when not in use, it hides perfectly into the ceiling, saving you lots of space and maintaining the aesthetics. You even have the option to pull down the bed just a bit so you can use both the electric bed and the lounge converted bed at the same time, creating sleeping space for 4 people now. Isn't that fantastic? But how do you control it? Remember the bed sign switch on the kitchen sidewall? There you go. You can attach a ladder to reach the bed if you've opted for a 4-person bed setup. To wrap this video, let's head to the driver's cabin and take a look at this special fold-down working table that can be used by swiveling the driver's chair. To ensure you have prolonged internet connectivity, the campervan also has Starlink set up, which is a huge plus. You get another big storage compartment right above the driver's cabin that offers you enough room for your tools and gear. Were you surprised by the interior, or do you think there are better campervans out there? This campervan has the biggest bathroom you've ever seen in a van. Click on it and we'll see you soon at a new luxury motorhome.